A federal judge on Friday blocked the Biden administration's effort to adopt a social cost on carbon and other greenhouse gases, handing a win to 10 Republican attorneys general who accused the president of overstepping his authority. United States District Court Judge James Cain granted a preliminary injunction shutting down implementation of President Biden's executive order that requires federal agencies to estimate the societal costs of various emissions in the name of fighting climate change. The Interagency Working Group on the Social Cost of Greenhouse Gases agreed in February 2021 to approve an interim value of $51 per metric ton of emissions, the same metric used by the Obama administration. Judge Cain, a Trump appointee, said the 10 energy-producing states have sufficiently identified the kinds of harms to support injunctive relief, citing their arguments that the Biden administration had run afoul of the Administrative Procedure Act and imposed costs on state governments involved in cooperative federalism programs. The judge said in his 44-page order, "As previously noted, the SCGHG estimates will harm plaintiff states' ability to purchase affordable energy to carry out their sovereign functions, as the directive to use the SCGHG estimates will significantly drive up costs while simultaneously significantly decrease states' revenues." He emphasized that his decision to issue the injunction pending the outcome of the lawsuit had nothing to do with the merits of the climate change debate. Judge Cain said, "The court has the authority to enjoin federal agencies from implementing a rule, mandated by an executive order or not, that violates the APA or violates the Separation of Powers Clause." Importantly, the court is not opining as to the scientific issues regarding greenhouse gas emissions, their effects on the environment, or whether they contribute to global warming. Louisiana Attorney General Jeff Landry applauded the ruling, calling it a blow to the left's radical, self-defeating green agenda. Mr. Landry said, "Biden's attempt to control the activities of the American people and the activities of every business from Main Street to Wall Street has been halted today. Biden's executive order was an attempt by the government to take over and tax the people based on winners and losers chosen by the government." The Trump administration had dropped the estimate to $1 to $7 and disbanded the Interagency Working Group, which was reinstated by Biden in his executive order issued the first day of his presidency. Biden stated in his order dated January 20, 2021, "An accurate social cost is essential for agencies to accurately determine the social benefits of reducing greenhouse gas emissions when conducting cost-benefit analyses of regulatory and other actions." The judge's ruling prohibits the administration from adopting, employing, treating as binding, or relying upon any social cost of greenhouse gas estimates based on global effects or that otherwise fails to comply with applicable law.